Today, I'll walk you through how to use a connected board column and mirror columns in Monday.com, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up these features so you can enhance your project management workflow. First, let's get started by heading over to your Monday.com workspace, open your web browser, and navigate to workspace 822433.monday.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're in your workspace, look for the plus sign in the upper right corner of your screen. This is where we'll initiate the connection process. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. Next, select the option to connect boards. This will allow you to link different boards together, which is crucial for keeping your projects organized and connected. After that, you'll see a prompt to select boards. Click on it and a list of your available boards will appear. Choose the desired project where you want to connect the columns. This is like choosing a destination on a map. Now it's time to set up a two-way connection. Click on the option that says Set as Two-Way Connection. This feature ensures that updates in one board reflect in the other, creating a seamless flow of information. Once you've done that, click on Connect Boards to finalize the connection. If prompted, you can choose to do this later, but for the best experience, let's proceed. Now let's add the mirror column. Click on the plus sign again to add a new column. In the search bar, type mirror and select the mirror column option from the list. This column will allow you to display information from another board directly in your current board. After selecting mirror, click on connect. You'll then be prompted to choose the project you want to mirror from. Select test project or your desired project from the list. Next, you'll need to choose the specific column you want to mirror. Click on the desired column to mirror. This is where you can select the information that's most relevant to your workflow. For this example, let's choose the status column. Finally, click on all labels to confirm your selection. This step will ensure that all relevant labels from the mirrored column are displayed in your current board. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a connected board column and mirror columns in Monday.com. This will streamline your project management and keep your teams aligned. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.